Everyone, welcome to Imperial Garden Single Cup break number 1042 of 13-14 UD Ultimate. Last team that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on June 10th at 7:26 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To our current date and time, click refresh. It's currently Sunday, January 10th at 10:53 p.m. Mountain, 10:53 p.m. Eastern Time. For anybody that hasn't rushed on our break page, really appreciate if you did. We do have some trilogy breaks posted. We do have one that's a combo team, so you might see it being like $1 or $2 more than somebody else, but we are live on Breakers TV here as per normal. Number 1042. These are boxes 2 of 6 from our case, so we don't have any serial numbers because we list their break before you open our case. So this is actually only going to go up to box 5. For people that didn't see the first 10, we had to open one down at good old air traffic security there. So serial number NE2213299727. Sailed. Sailed. And the hotel is not the greatest place to do a break, but we'll make do with what we have. Stupid light. Okay, so I'll turn you guys back around here. No, he's not defensive at all. 97-27. Right there, Grant. I gotta use my card keys to open a box of cards. That's a tough key. Shea Weber, Roman Yossi. He was playing good last year. It's a part of the only reason why he's so high. I'm going to just leave this to block the lighting on the back of the screen here. Or the light's going to get really bright. So here we go, guys. On to our second box of cup. And also just a reminder that none of the hits will ship until probably the following Monday when I get back to Canada. Yeah, Philip Forsberg is pretty good. It's not a bum or anything like that. Alright, so here we go, guys and gals. So we start off with a base card going out to the St. Louis Blues of Curtis Joseph. 38 of 249 for the Blues. Next one is a 2-color auto rookie patch of Michael BOURNIVAL, number 14 of 249 for the Canadiens. Michael BOURNIVAL. And for another hit going out to the Montreal Canadiens, 3-color auto rookie patch of Jared Tenorti, number 16 of 24. Gold ARP, 3 colors. And nice. Going out to the New York Rangers, we got a signature renditions of Wayne Gretzky, number 235 of 385. Nice hit there, going out to the Rangers. Wayne Gretzky. And our next one is a Brian Flynn 2-color auto rookie patch, number 79 of 249 for the Sabres. And also whoever has the Rangers, just let me know if you do want tracking on it, which I do highly recommend. And finish up the break with a signature patches of Adam Henrique, 3 colors for the New Jersey Devils. And you can see go Ron in the background there. Okay, so there we have it, guys. So we got box 3 of Cup of the case tomorrow, boxes 3 and 4 of Black Diamond.